how to find your phone number on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch, any of the Apple Watch series or Apple Watch Ultra, and now you want to find your Apple Watch phone number, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. The first you want to note about Apple Watch number is the number you have on your Apple account, or the number you have as your iMessage phone number is going to be your Apple Watch phone number. So if you know the iMessage phone number, then you can just assume that is your Apple Watch phone number. However, if you want to confirm this, all you need to do is go ahead and press the little crown once to exit the Apple Watch first. Locate and click on settings. Once you select the settings, click on your name on your Apple Watch. Then scroll down the name page. Locate and click on sign in and security. Once you selected sign in and security, you want to hang on. Then you should see email and phone number, and then you should see your Apple Watch phone number. You see that? And you can see I have iMessage beneath it. In your own case, whatever phone number you have here is your Apple Watch phone number, and if you click on it, you see the phone number as big as this. So you can now go ahead, write down the phone number. You say this is the phone number from your iPhone. It is used by iMessage and FaceTime, and then you're good. So that is basically how to find your phone number on Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.